Candace, I'm going to show you how to find out what all you need to do. So if you notice here, I'm at the wilsoncc.edu website. It's our main website page. You're going to click on academics, scroll over to the or look over to the right and click on Allied Health. And then I think you wanted to do, you wanted to do practical nursing because you are the one that told me you wanted, you liked wound care. So that's hard to forget. So anyway, if you scroll down under practical nursing, one thing you need to do is after you apply, you're going to need to complete the Allied Health Intent form. So you go ahead and complete that. And then everything else you need to know is right here in the admissions packet. So once you click on the admissions packet, this will actually tell you all the steps of the application process. And I emailed this packet to you. Step 1, submit an admissions application. So make sure you do that. Make sure you apply to Wilson Community College, and you can do that online. In fact, let's go back and find that, where you apply online. Let's see here, admissions. So when you click on admissions at the top, application process, this will give you the online application. And it tells you all the things that you need before you apply. And then there should be an actual application somewhere. Okay, here you'll complete residency determination, and then here you'll submit your online application. So you're going to do those things, and then just go back to that admissions packet for the LPN program and just follow everything on the list, okay? I hope this helps you. If it doesn't, be sure to call me back, okay?